Hello everybody, I want to show you this video 10 cool things you can do with the Nokia 7.2. So let's start with the first one is how to get a split screen. So if you go here to the recent tabs, if you want, you have now here the already open tabs, and if you want to split the screen, just go here on the symbol, and here now on split screen, and now you can choose the second screen. Let's take the settings. So go here on the settings, and now we have here on the second screen the settings, and on the top we have the internet browser of Chrome. So you can do things at the same time. You can also arrange it like this, that you have the internet browser a bit bigger, or otherwise you can also swipe it up to have the settings a bit bigger, and so on and so on. And how to close it, just swipe down like this and you've just opened one tab. The second point I want to show you is more for the night. If you have problems to sleep in after using your smartphone, you can enable a night mode tool, a blue light filter. So for that, just swipe it down like this, swipe down a second time, and now go here on night light. And as you can see, the screen is turning into your yellow screen because it removes the blue light. So it's very eye friendly, especially if you want to read something at night and so on and so on. So it will take better care on your eyes. The next one I want to show you is to take a screenshot. For that we need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons for the same time and you will have a screenshot. And directly after the screenshot you are able directly to share it or to edit it. In case you want to just crop a part or from a website or something like this, just go here on that symbol. And now you can rotate the screenshot and so on, but you can also crop just a part here. Let us crop the Google bar here, and so on and so on. After, go on done and go on save copy, and then you have also that part of the screenshot saved. And the next point I want to show you is also a very nice tool if you have the feeling that you are too often on your smartphone, especially also in the night. You can reduce some points. For that we go here to the settings again. Then we go to the point digital well-being, and here we have first of all a nice statistics, how much we have used our smartphone. We can go here on dashboard to have detailed statistics, which app we have used, how long, and so on and so on, and also which days we use our smartphone often. Nice statistics. And we can to wind down. It is very nice because you can set up a sleep time here, a bedtime, that you don't use your smartphone too much or looking always on WhatsApp, what's going on and so on. You can set it up and so on. And you can enable also the night mode, what I should have shown you. You can set up a reminder that you have to go to bed, hey, no? And you can mute also some stuff, and so this tool really helps you to calm down. And you can also set it to grayscale. It means that at a certain time, at 23 o'clock, so at 11 p.m. So the phone turn into a gray mode. I can show you it if we set it up now a bit earlier. Maybe here at 10. So as you can see, now everything is here in gray. So a very nice mode. And you can set up the days you want to have that mode, and so on and so on. And you can calm a bit down. And smartphones could be also a drug sometimes, I guess you know what I mean. So our next mode is the camera. If you tap the power button twice, you are immediately in the camera. This works also if your phone is on standby. Just double tap here on the power button and you are immediately at the camera and can take your pictures and so on and so on. So a very nice mode to don't miss a good picture. The next one I want to show you, there's a built-in FM radio. If you have no network or something like this, and or no music on your phone, but you want to listen to music, just go here to the apps, and here is the FM radio. That it works, you need your headphones and plug it in, because the antenna is built in here in the headset. So now you can listen to your radio. If you're using it for the first time, you make just a scan to have some radio stations in it, but you can change it also here later, and so on and so on. So now you can listen to music also if you have no music on your phone or no data on your phone. Then you just listen to FM radio. Okay, the next what I want to show you is if you have less battery, it happens, then you can also save battery. If you scroll down here, you have here that symbol for the battery. If you go here, it's a battery save mode. Just go on turn on here, and now you extend the time for the battery life. Okay, let me turn it off, because it will turn off some features also on the back to save that energy, but I want to show you something more. Yeah, the next thing, I guess many people know this already, but let me show you. There's also a built-in flashlight you can use the LED light for the camera for. So just scroll down here, and you have here the symbol for the flashlight or the torch. Tap it, and you have a flashlight here. Tap it again to off it. Very simple, but a nice tool, maybe at the night if you have no flashlight, or if you need a bit light and so on. Works very nice. Yeah, for the next mode I want to show you, we need the camera again, because you have more than one cam. So we have the basic camera. Come here, my friend. So we have the basic camera, which one is very detailed and very nice, by the way. And we have a wide angle camera. Maybe he has a friend next to him. We cannot have it because we are too close here, but we can use the wide angle cam now. If you go here on the three trees, and now we have the wide angle cam, and in the same position we have now much more range. You see, and this the little friend, the airplane, is next to him as well. So the basic cam, which one is very detailed, and the wide angle cam, which one have more range here. Yeah, a very nice tool, especially for group pictures, and yeah. Okay, and the last point I want to show you is there's also slow motion here in that camera. So if you go here on that symbol, you'll feel the point slow motion. So if I just record it now, make like this, I can show you now it has recorded in slow motion now. So a very nice tool, and I guess this phone have many nice features for a low price. So yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and show you something new. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some type, would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.